Welcome to K4Tech Systems channel and thank you very much for watching this video. In this video we will see how we can replace a Wego Scooty's 12-volt 5Ah battery with a UPS lead acid battery. Scooty's battery was like dead for more than 2 years. We were using Kicker to start. When tested, UPS battery which we did not use for around 5 months still showed nearly 13 volt and worked well. So I decided to replace with this battery. But the problem I later found here was that this UPS battery had more length than the Scooty's battery. So UPS battery will not go in the provided battery's space. If we place it outside the battery's plastic container, we cannot fix the Scooty's metal cover properly. It left me to decide either buy a new battery with exact size or place this battery under seat inside the seat container, which will reduce the space for placing our stuffs. However, finally, I decided to fix UPS battery under seat with the proper space to place our helmet also. Let us start from UPS battery. This is the UPS from APC brand with capacity of 600 VA, 360 watt with output of 230 volt, 2.6 ampere. When tested, battery of this UPS looks having 12.9 volt. Let us disconnect from UPS. It is completely a sealed battery. There is no information written anywhere in the battery about its capacity in AH. Now let us check the Scooty's battery and whether UPS battery will go in its space. If it goes, then there is no issue. Let us first unscrew this nut which connects battery case down. Now we are opening this metal cover. It is inside it battery is fixed. Here is the battery tied up within an elastic strip. Let us check the voltage of this dead battery. It shows only 6 volt. Earlier I tried to repair battery but charging is losing after some time. This is 5Ah battery. Now we have connected Scooty's positive and negative wires to the UPS battery to check the bike self starts without kicker. Yes, it starts the engine. Let us turn off and turn on once more. Yes, it works. One major problem here is that the UPS battery which we want to fix in place of old battery is different in size. This is the size of UPS battery which will not go inside this container. It will not go horizontally or even vertically, which is not good. In no way it can contain the battery. This is because UPS battery is a little longer. Without plastic container, even we cannot arrange the UPS battery to sit here like this. Even if we do something, we cannot fix back this Scooty's metal cover. This is another problem. So should we buy a new proper size battery? In that case, this UPS battery will be a waste. So finally we decided to place a UPS battery inside seat container like this. Since there is a small helmet which we use regularly, we can keep it in balance space under seat. I made connections to the Scooty's battery wires like you see here. I fixed old PVC battery container but empty now, in same place in case we need in future. Battery terminals are not nut and bolt type but can use spade wire terminal connectors. We need to extend wire, so we use sleeves to make it more safe. We have connected an extra pair of wire with a 5.5 mm into 2.1 mm female DC adapter so that this battery can be charged using an AC charger. We almost finished the process of replacing old battery with UPS battery. Since UPS battery has a different size, we installed it inside under seat container and therefore it may be or may not be a permanent setup. In order to avoid damaging battery bottom side, I have kept under battery a piece of PVC that is used for electrical cable trunking. Similarly, to avoid jerking of battery while running and keep it always in a non-movable safe position, I have tied the battery up around it with a strong self-adhesive hook tab, and the same is stuck on the walls of under seat container so that the battery is firm and will not move. You can see it. Now you can see that we kept this battery along with our helmet. Now let us close and turn the bike on. It turned on, so our battery replacement effort worked without any expense. This is Wego Scooty. Another problem is that during our travel, when it rains, when we open under seat container to take or deposit something, raindrops may fall on battery terminals to get it wet and thereby short circuit. To avoid it, I have wrapped the battery terminals and its top side with a stickable non-paper masking tape by making sure that there is enough air circulation on top of battery so that any gas formation will be released easily. Now it is the time to wind up this video. Our case was a mismatched battery size. If you have any comment regarding this video or if you feel to suggest a better arrangement in our case, please comment. To get similar videos in future, please subscribe for Tech Systems channel and press bell icon for similar videos reach you whenever it is uploaded. Thank you and see you in another video.